What's up guys, special edition video. Today my friend Rafa and I, we're gonna help you find ideas to create your next YouTube video.
40 ideas.
40 ideas.
To be specific.
So the way we're gonna do this is gonna be like a game.
Yeah.
I say one, you say one. I say one, you say one. Until the point that we cannot say anything. So maybe we're gonna get to 40?
Maybe we won't.
Maybe we won't.
We'll see.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Perfect. So I think you can make a video about introducing yourself.
The second video that you can make is about introducing your family.
Oh, that's good. That's actually very good. You can make a video.
Be that.
You can make a video about a day in your life.
You can make a video about a trip that you're taking.
Wow. You can make a video about a trip that you like to take.
Okay. You can make a video about what you eat in a day.
I think I said that in a way, but no, I said a day in life. But since we talk about what you eat in a day, it's only right for you to make a mukbang video.
Of course. And since you're doing a mukbang video, it's only right that you do a fitness video, you know, to burn off that mukbang.
That's good. But if you're lazy like me, you can just do an ASMR video.
Okay.
I love this. This is so cool.
ASMR. I don't personally like ASMR.
Me neither.
Why do you say it?
It's an idea for video. It's super trendy.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. You can do a haul for whatever you'd like.
For outfit, yeah.
Yeah, for outfits. Outfit haul.
Talking about what's your favorite brand?
My favorite brand.
For clothing.
Zara.
Zara, yeah. So I think if we talk about hauling clothing, you can make makeup video if you're a girl, but even if you're a guy, you can make makeup videos.
You can make makeup videos too.
Yeah? So makeup videos is good.
Yeah.
What else?
When you take off your makeup, you need to do your skincare, so you can do a skincare routine video.
Wow, talking about routine, you can do your morning routine video.
Oh, talking about routines instead of doing morning, you can do your evening routine video.
Damn. Yo, we had 16.
Oh, you're counting?
I'm counting, we had 16.
Okay.
Damn.
You can do a house tour.
House tour is good. House tour. And you can actually do a city tour as well. Just basically to show where you live. Because I'll be honest with you, something I realized on YouTube is you have people watching you from all over the world.
That's true.
So they don't really know your reality. So it's only right for you, like you said, house tour, city tour. What's next?
Very true. You can do a school tour.
School is done.
That's true.
School's out. People actually go to school, right?
Huh?
You go to school right now? You have summer school.
Yeah, but it's online.
So actually you can make a video about tips for online school.
Online schooling. There you go.
Well, that's my tip. What's your tip?
Oh, great. Okay, so you can do a video about how to stay organized with school, so how to balance school and your life.
Right. You can make a video about talking about your most embarrassing moment.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, you can do a video about oh shit.
You can do it.
I'm running out of ideas.
Yo, I feel like this is a good energy for like a good exercise for us content creators to just push ideas. It's like a brainstorming. Like, oh, you have this.
A motivational video. How to find motivation.
That's good. A video to talk about what you do when you feel bored.
That's very true. Another video about it could be a cooking video. I don't know.
I love cooking videos. You're right. Cooking videos is good.
Videos.
I feel like with cooking, we can have at least like 5 ideas for cooking. So when we say cooking videos, it could be you cooking something.
It could be you cooking something.
It could be, I have actually videos on my other channel. It's me cooking with a chef. So it's like a cooking show.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. What else could it be?
You trying to replicate a cooking video from Tasty or Gordon Ramsay.
Yes, and then probably failing because I suck at cooking.
For real?
Yeah, I really suck at cooking.
I'm good at it. I mean, I make some nice bowl of cereals. No, I'm good at cooking, guys. On my other channel,
we can have a cooking competition.
That could be another video, or you want to do this actually for real?
I don't know, both.
I'm down. For my other channel, we're gonna do a cooking competition. I like that.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay, what else?
You can.
For cooking, I think we did it all though. Actually, what I like if you're with a friend, because there's a lot of challenge guys you can do with a friend in the videos, right? So I don't know, like I'm lost in my count, but I think we're like at 25 right now. We can do a video of like you blindfold your friend and they have to guess what they're drinking.
Taste test.
Yeah, taste test. That's what we call
Yo,
it. Taste test is one of them.
that.
Another one is actually go to drive-thru and order same food as the person in front of you.
Yo, we should do that.
I'm doing this today, but if you want, we can do it next week or this week.
Yo, I'm down.
Yeah, I'm doing this. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, I'm down. I'm down.
You see, those are all dope ideas of videos.
Okay.
What else?
Order secret drinks from Starbucks.
I like
The
that.
off the menu drinks.
I like that.
Yo, we should do that.
Actually, that's a good idea. I feel like we have so many ideas. You see, like, we're making these videos and we actually have a lot of ideas
Yo,
for ourselves.
I like it.
Okay,
okay. How many are we at?
I think we have 30.
30?
So we need 10 more. 10
Okay,
less.
10 more, guys.
10 less.
We can...
You can make reaction videos. This is something I've done on my other channel, and I'll be honest with you, it's going super well.
Okay, I'm down. But reaction to what?
So basically, I did a reaction about a movie. I did reaction about music. Just reaction. You can do reaction about anything.
Music.
Just not allergic reaction.
That's
like, you have to say that was good. That was good.
Oh God.
That was like a dad joke.
Yeah.
What else?
You can. I'm trying to think. What else have I watched on YouTube?
Actually, I think you're thinking too far because you can talk about the type of videos you've been making. Because we didn't even talk about the videos we made so far, and we're already at 31.
Tips for content creators.
Exactly.
You can.
We can do a video about talking about different equipment you use to create your content.
Tutorials.
Yeah.
You can do tutorials, right? About the equipment, about lighting, about setting.
Exactly.
Editing. Tutorial.
Yeah, editing. Talk about editing, what editing software to use.
Yes.
I mean, she's team iMovie, I'm team Final Cut Pro, and you, what team are you? Right? What else?
What else?
We have 6 left. 6 left. Pranks. Guys, you can do pranks video. I'm not into pranks, but you can do pranks video. And something that's actually working super well on social media as well and YouTube is actually gaming videos. So if you're a guy that play Fortnite or a girl that play Fortnite, they make a video about you playing Fortnite.
That's true. Do you play? I don't play.
I play Fortnite.
Oh shit.
But just for fun, just to relax.
Okay.
Oh, so you can make a video about what you do to relax?
Oh yeah, that's a good.
4.
You can make a meditation video.
3. You can take a video about the best app you use on your phone.
Oh, about the best camera to use
Perfect.
for filming.
And for a last video, you can make a video that talks about ideas to make a video.
Of course.
Good job. You killed it.
Got 40. Woo!
Guys, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, don't forget, you can follow my friend Raf here. You can follow me here. And I'll see you next time. Peace.